Jump, Baby Kangaroo. Adapted from the story by Patricia Scarry. Baby kangaroo loved being carried in his mother's soft pouch. One sunny day, Mother Kangaroo set her little son down on the grass and said to him, "My little one, it's time that you learn to jump. I'm going home to make a tasty blackberry tart, and I want you to jump all the way back home in time for dinner." "But Mummy, I don't know how to jump," said Baby Kangaroo. "But of course you can. It's easy. You can do anything if you try," said his mother confidently. And away she went, bounding over the dip of the hill. "Oh me, oh my, oh," whimpered Baby Kangaroo. But he didn't try to jump. A very friendly koala was sitting in a tree and threw down a long piece of creeper to him. "Try swinging on this and you might be able to get along," he called out. Baby Kangaroo threw himself into the air and swish! He nearly reached the next tree. But not quite. "Poor Baby Kangaroo," said the possum politely. "But what are you trying to do?" "I'm trying to get home in time for my dinner," sobbed Baby Kangaroo. "But I don't know how to jump." "Perhaps you could fly all the way home like me," called the cockatoo. "It's very easy to fly. All you have to do is stretch your arms right out like this, and you can glide on the wind. You see?" And the cockatoo went way up in the air, higher and higher, and Baby Kangaroo came tumbling down, right down, splash into a pool of water. Happily for Baby Kangaroo, a tall stork which had just escaped from the zoo was making his way through the reeds on the edge of the pond and saw him falling. He fished him out with his long beak and set him down on the bank so that he could dry out. Oh dear, cried Baby Kangaroo. "I'm so wet and hungry, and Mummy has left me and I want to go home." Poor Baby Kangaroo," said the wombat, poking his head out from his hole in the ground. "I'll help you make your way back home. Since you're not able to jump over the hill, I'll make a tunnel through the ground so that you can go underneath." Baby Kangaroo felt much happier with this plan. So the helpful little wombat set to work. He dug a long tunnel through the hill. Earth went flying all over the place. "I will soon be home," thought Baby Kangaroo, smiling to himself, "and I'll be able to eat Mummy's blackberry tart." Soon Baby Kangaroo was able to push his head into the tunnel, and he started to push. He pushed and he pushed. "Oh heavens above! He's stuck!" groaned the bandicoot. He was right. Baby Kangaroo couldn't get home through the tunnel. His tail waved from side to side sadly, and he cried out for help. His friends all pulled at his long tail. Poor Baby Kangaroo, his tail felt very sore. Suddenly, Baby Kangaroo shot out of the big black hole in the side of the hill. "Oh, I'll never be able to get home now. What is going to happen to me?" he said with tears running down his face. "You'll have to jump." "Just like this," said the rabbit. "Jump, Baby Kangaroo." Just at that moment, Mother Kangaroo appeared at the top of the hill. She stopped and called, little one, come and see what I've made for you." How pleased Baby Kangaroo was to see his mummy, and he bounded towards her because he couldn't wait a minute longer to try her blackberry tart. "But, my baby, you've learned how to jump," said Mother Kangaroo, smiling broadly. Baby Kangaroo was so surprised when he heard this that he lost his balance and fell over. He picked himself up and jumped over to his mummy and the delicious blackberry tart. You see, you can do anything if you try, just as I said, his mummy reminded him. And feeling very happy and pleased, they jumped all the way along the path which led to their home.